Trump's Fed pick could cut rates. What it means for blacks. Rate cuts could help black families, but barriers remain. This is August 8th, guys. This article, August 8th, 2025. Let's just do a quick read of this. Wall Street woke up feeling optimistic this morning after President Trump announced his pick for new Federal Reserve governor. Someone the markets believe will push for lower interest rates in the coming months. Stock futures jumped as investors started calculating what cheaper money could mean for corporate profits and economic growth. Now, if you're not in the stock market, who cares? That means nothing to you. By the way, it's something you should be looking into. But while traders are celebrating on Wall Street, the real question is, what does this potential shift mean for everyday black families trying to build wealth, buy homes, and start a business? Come on now. Now you're talking my language right here, right? What did he say? Black families trying to build wealth, buy homes, and start businesses. Two expected rate cuts before year's end could open doors that have been locked for too long, but only if the benefits actually reach the communities that need it most. Yeah, there's my girl Shikari. What dovish really means for your wallet. When Federal Reserve officials take a dovish stance, they're prioritizing economic growth over keeping inflation under tight control. In practical terms, this translates to lower interest rates across the board on mortgages, car loans, business loans, and credit cards. But you gotta have the credit, right? For black families who have been priced out of home ownership by sky-high mortgage rates or horrible credit, this could be the break that they've been waiting for. Yes, but it means nothing if you obviously don't have the credit, right? I mean, if mortgage rates go down and the opportunity to buy a house becomes more reasonable for black families, if you don't have the credit, what difference does it make? That house that seemed impossibly expensive 6 months ago, 6 months, might suddenly become affordable with a rate that's 2 percentage points lower. This is good news, guys. I mean, it's good news for the people who are ready to get their credit fixed or have the credit. I can see some I can see some black people getting into homes. Basically, mortgage rates are going to go down, making it easier and more affordable to buy a home. That's good news for Charlotte, that's for sure. All right, so let's talk strategic moves, right? If you're thinking about major financial decisions, now might be the time to act strategically. I mean, that's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm saying. You guys think, I'm talking, but I'm not talking. Look, now is the time. Locking in fixed rate loans before rates become unpredictable could save thousands of dollars over time. Whether it's a mortgage, business loan, or refinancing existing debt, right? Maybe some of those car loans, right, that you have at a higher rate, maybe getting those loans refinanced. Securing favorable terms now provides protection against future uncertainty. This is also an ideal time to attack high interest debt aggressively. That's what I was just saying. If borrowing costs are falling, the gap between what you're paying on credit cards and what you could pay on new loans is getting wider. Consolidating or paying down expensive debt frees up money for wealth building. Let's go. For those with some capital to invest, lower rates often drive assets higher. Real estate, stocks, and other investments that generate returns over time become more attractive when safe savings accounts are paying almost nothing. All right. So I think we got the point. Big things are about to happen. Black families can take advantage of it. All families can take advantage of it. And we just have to be intentional, and we have to be strategic. And, you got to make sure your credit is in the right place to take advantage of this. I mean, I know we don't have a lot of Trump fans in my group, right? But it looks like his pick may just benefit black families that have certain things in place. Let's go. But with that being said, for black families positioned to take advantage of lower rates, and that means you have to have the credit, it could create a genuine wealth building momentum, meaning not everyone is going to benefit because of the challenges with discrimination, but more will benefit. First-time home buyers. Where's my first-time home buyers at? First-time home buyers who have been saving and waiting might finally find their entry point into property ownership. The foundation for generational wealth for most American families. That's right. It starts with home ownership. Come on, all you renters out there on my Facebook page, let's go. Let's make the transition. Entrepreneurs with solid business plans entrepreneurs with solid business plans but limited capital. Okay, this is my business owners now. Could secure loans that actually make sense financially, right? You're not borrowing money that's like ridiculous to pay back. Instead of borrowing at rates that guarantee failure, business owners could access credit that allows their ventures to thrive and grow. Black investors, let's go. Where you at?